Lecture 2 continuation. Okay, computer software and operating system. That is firmware. Okay, firmware means a software embedded in the hardware permanently or semi-permanently. Okay, the software which is stored in the ROM chip. Okay, the software which is stored in the ROM chip are example of firmware. The best example is BIOS. A BIOS is stored in the ROM chip of the motherboard. Okay, so the BIOS is the best example of firmware. Okay, and another example is the program in microwave oven and the programs in washing machine are the best example of firmware. These software cannot be changed. Okay, so they are saying these software are permanent or semi-permanent in nature. And this is liver. Liver means the person who are using the computer. Okay, so that is liver. For example, the programmer, the system analyst, the operating staff, and the other person who are attached with the computer. So that it refers to liver refers to the human system. Okay, the person who are using the computer are called liver. And next freeware. Okay, freeware are copyrighted software. Okay, means copyrighted means the legal rights will belong to the owner. Okay, freeware are copyrighted software, but it is available at free of cost for usage. Okay, so freeware, in the freeware the source code is not available. Source code means the code source code means the code which is used to write the software. Okay, source code is the code which is used to write the software. So the source code will not be available for freeware. For example, Google Chrome, and PDF file, Adobe Reader, Skype. Okay, and then there are antivirus, AVG antivirus, and these are example of freeware. And this is open source software. Okay, open source software means the software in which the source code is freely available to study, change or enhance. Okay, for example, Linux, Android is the best example of open source software because the source code of that software is available to study, change or enhance it. Okay, so this software can be free or it can be cost, but the source code is available at freely. Okay, see here, not all open source software is necessarily free. Okay, so software can be free or it may be at cost. Shareware means a software which is available at free of cost only for specific period of time. Okay, only trial period the software is free, or in their software only certain features only will be free. Okay, so after trial period user have to purchase the software for further use. Okay, example of WinZip software and SPSS are example of shareware. Shareware means the software which is available at free of cost only for specific period of time. Next is commercial software. Commercial software can be free or open source or proprietary. Okay, but it is designed for only for commercial purpose. Okay, for example, MS Office. Okay, so these software are designed only for commercial purpose in the market. Okay, so these are examples MS Office. And proprietary software. A proprietary software is owned by individual or by a company. So this software is not free. Okay, the source code is not kept. The source code is kept secret. Okay, to use this software we want to pay money. Okay, for example, MS Office, MS Windows, and Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Flash Player are example of proprietary software. So this software is not free. and these software are owned by a individual or by a company. Okay, that is example of that is the meaning of proprietary software. And semi-free software, software which is not free but comes with the permission for individual to use, copy, distribute and modify for non-profit purpose. Okay, so here the keyword is non-profit purpose. So the semi-free software are available for non-profit purpose. Okay, example PGP software. And public domain software. Okay, public domain software means the software which is available at internet. Okay, in online. Okay, so internet, the software is, we are getting some software. Okay, so that software will come under public domain software because it is available at internet. Okay, so these software can be shareware, freeware or open source. That is, we either we want to pay or it is available free of cost, or the source code will be available. So these are example of the shareware or freeware or open source. Okay, so these software can be shareware, freeware or open source, and this software is also known as community supported software. See, because the author do not support the product directly and the user of the software support and help each other. Okay, see, because we are getting this software from internet. Okay, so the owner, okay, the owner will not support directly, but the user, like many people around the world will support this software. Okay, so public domain software is also known as community supported software. Okay, one thing you want to keep in mind is that the software which is available at the internet are all example of public domain software.